In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Lyft code not receiving. So if you're not being able to receive the Lyft code when you're trying to log into your account, there might be some reason behind it. First of all, what you can do is simply launch open the Lyft application. Now after you do that, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option, get started. Now, whenever you enter the phone number and tap on the next option, you should be able to receive the code. But if you're not receiving the code, what you can do is simply tap on this option, problem with the code. Now, once you do that, you'll be able to see the options for fixing your problem. First of all, make sure your phone number is correct. Right over here, you'll be able to see the phone number that you entered. Make sure it is correct. If it is not correct, what you can do is simply go back. After that, enter the correct phone number over here and tap on the next option. After that, you'll be able to receive the code. But still, if you're not receiving the code, it might be because of the internet connection. So make sure to check the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Otherwise, you'll not be able to receive the code. If you're connected to a stable network, you'll be able to receive the code. If still you're not receiving the code, in that case, what you can do is simply tap on this option, call me. If you tap on this option, call me, you'll be able to receive the phone call from Lyft. In that phone call, they will tell you the code, and what you have to do is enter that code over here. So like this, your problem can be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try restarting your phone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. So what you have to do is simply long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Now once the device has been restarted, you should be able to receive the code. So that is how you fix Lyft code not receiving. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.